Hi everyone, this is moneycreative.com. I thought I'd just do a quick video just to show you how I'm making money online, and it's possible for yourself to make money online as well. As you can see, this is my page, moneycreative.com. Feel free to look at it. It's free information. There's business ideas here on the right. There's business news in the middle concerning Bitcoin, because that is relatively new and everyone's asking about it. And then there's business mindsets to just get yourself in the mindset of an entrepreneur, and tips and ideas on how to actually get into that mindset, because being an entrepreneur is a mindset. It's not about luck, it's about having your mind focused on something and going after it no matter what. So the other reason why I wanted to actually make a quick video was I recently joined. Obviously, as an entrepreneur, you always look for multiple sources of income. You don't just stick with one. You try and find as many as you can. So I found this one, digitalfreedomlife.com. Feel free to join. I'll leave a link in the description for yourself as well. It's free to join. All you need is an email. And what would happen is that you would come to a company called Yoonla. Now, Yoonla is so far pretty good. As you can see over here, this is my account. My name is Muhammad Iqbal. And as you can see, I've got all the commissions page. Now, I just started Yoonla about yesterday, I think it was. And I've been promoting here and there just to show, to see how it goes. And you can see here that, someone signed up and they were from Great Britain. They signed up around about, 20 to 12 last night. And they put in their email address, and I received $4. Now, to me, that is pretty amazing, because you don't usually get that much commission just for putting in an email. Um, so I can see this being a really, really big thing. And from what I can understand, Yoonla, because it's a CPA, which means cost per action, there was a phase one and a phase two. They're currently in a phase two right now, which started in February the 21st, I think. And before that was a phase one. So as you can tell, we're in here. We're at March. We're on the 7th of March, at 11 o'clock in the morning. So it's not been long since it's been live. And one thing that I know is that if something's new and people are attracted to it and it's very, very good, you can see that this thing will become real, really big. And if you're one of the first to get into the company, I'm pretty sure you will make a lot of money. So go check it out. I've given you a few websites to look at. So you've got moneycrave.com, just for ideas, have a browse, see what you think. Any feedback, let me know. Also, you've got the digital freedomlife.com, which if you just put your email address, it will take you straight to Yoonla. I must say that it is impressive. It is free to join to start up, and you can make anything between $2 to $4 with Yoonla, depending on which country you get into. If you're talking about English speaking countries, so you're looking at Britain, USA, New Zealand, Canada, Australia, you get $4 for each email that they put in, and it's free to sign up. I must emphasize that. This is not when someone pays, this is when it's free to sign up, so you can't really lose anything. It's just about going out there and marketing. So yeah, that's just my little uptake on Yoonla and my websites. If you have any questions, anything that you like to know, send me an email. My email is moneycraves@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed this, let me know, and I'll try and make some more videos. Thank you very much. Bye.